Wondering what CBD concentrates are? Here's what you need to know. CBD concentrates are potent forms of CBD, produce strong effects, and can come in a range of formats. CBD concentrates are made by extracting CBD from the hemp plant, then refining it into a potent purified form. Concentrates come in 3 types. Isolate is pure CBD, full spectrum has trace THC, and broad spectrum keeps compounds but no THC. Popular forms of CBD concentrate include wax crumble, shatter, and extracts, each creating a different experience. CBD concentrates can be consumed by infusing them into butter or cooking oil for recipes, or mixing them with creams for topical applications. It's important to start with a small amount and build up slowly. So why choose CBD concentrates? They're high strength, may help with pain management, support stress reduction, and can improve sleep. Want to discover the potential benefits for yourself? Explore our premium range of CBD concentrates at the CBD Flower Shop today.